Welcome to the Shakaama Live Show with your host, Shakaama. We have breaking news. We have an official statement from the Bill Cosby team and from Bill Cosby himself. And I will get right to the point here. Judge Stephen T. O'Neill continues to show his disgust and prejudice towards Mr. Cosby. Judge O'Neill is purposefully denying Mr. Cosby the right to file his appeal because he has refused to issue his 1925A opinion, which outlines why he felt strongly in sentencing Mr. Cosby to 3 to 10 years and felt obligated to place this 81-year-old blind United States citizen who served his country in the United States Navy in a level 5, count 'em 5, maximum security prison, SCI Phoenix. The application for bail pending appeal was filed this morning in the Senior Court, First Appellate Court, which illuminates the egregious behavior of Judge Stephen T. O'Neill. We're asking that this scandalous judge be removed immediately, and Mr. Cosby be granted bail throughout the appeals process because the judge's racial hatred towards Mr. Cosby clouds his better judgment to be a good steward of the bench. Quote, this judge took an oath, I believe, to be fair and impartial, which grants him the authority to perform all of the duties detailed in the Constitution, states Bill Cosby. Continuing quote, I don't know what constitutional rock this judge resides because his refusal to write an opinion reveals that he's complicit in the corruption against me and that he's an accessory to the incestuous behavior that resides in Montgomery County. His dishonorable conduct makes me smile because this judge is being exposed, and it shows that this is bigger than me, Bill Cosby. O'Neill now has his formula, tried, true, and tested to destroy any black man and or colored man in America. I'm just so happy because this guy is proving my innocence. And guess what else? America is finally getting to witness the truth, end quote, states Mr. Bill Cosby. Hashtag free Bill Cosby. Hashtag far from finished. So go ahead and put those hashtags in the chat. Hashtag free Bill Cosby. Hashtag far from finished. Just to reiterate, Bill Cosby went to trial. There was no evidence in the trial. And if you say that the evidence was presented that the woman said something happened, but her behavior completely belies anything that she said. Her actual behavior, the actual facts that they could pull from records, pull from text messages, pull from phone calls, belie anything that she says actually happened. Also, please make sure you have in consideration that another witness came on the stand and said she said that she was going to do this to get money years ago. And that witness testimony is corroborated with her actually coming forward. The district attorney before said that there was not a case. The police before said there was not a case. Why? Because there was zero physical evidence to it. She literally walked in years after this happened and said something happened. And she only went to the DA and the police is because she went to a lawyer who she said, hey, we could get some money out of Bill Cosby. And the lawyer said, Okay, we have to build a case. Let's go to the police. And the police said, no case. District attorney said, no case. And there we have the infamous deposition of the district attorney saying, don't worry, this will never go to trial. There is no case here. There's no evidence whatsoever. Go ahead and tell me anything that you possibly can. And let's just pay her some money and get her away. And she went through $20 million. Ladies and gentlemen, the woman who they're all holding their holy grail upon went through $20 million within a couple of years. Y'all listening? She went through $20 million. Tell me in chat, how long could you make $20 million last? My great grandkids better not spend $20 million if I left it to the. Thank y'all for watching. Remember, hashtag free Bill Cosby, hashtag far from finished. Please donate to the channel. More than likely, YouTube is not going to want this out there. This is an official statement from Bill Cosby. Go to patreon.com/Shakaama to support the channel. Thank you. Oh, and there's a couple of tiers have some secret stuff in them, so you don't get to know which tiers have what. Thank you.